In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a compatibility check and fix legacy issues in PowerPoint. Start by opening the presentation you plan to share with people who might be using an older version of PowerPoint. Before you do anything else, make sure the file is saved in the modern PTX format. This format supports current features and makes compatibility checking more accurate. If you're not sure what format you have, go to File, then Save As, and choose PowerPoint Presentation, PTX. Save it with a clear name so you know you're working on the updated copy. Next, let's run the compatibility checker. Go to File, select Info, click Check for Issues, and choose Check Compatibility. PowerPoint will scan the deck for elements that may not behave the same way in older versions. This process is quick, and it's a great way to catch problems before you send the file to a client, a colleague, or a conference system that hasn't been updated. When the results appear, you'll see a list of potential issues, along with where they occur. Common flags include smart art that might be converted to shapes, 3D models, or certain animations that aren't supported, and themes or transitions that don't exist in older releases. Think of this list as a guide. It won't change your file yet, but it tells you what to address. Now fix the issues one by one. In some cases, PowerPoint will offer a suggested fix you can apply instantly. If not, you can make adjustments manually. For smart art that isn't supported, consider converting it to shapes. Right-click the smart art, choose Convert to Shapes, and then tidy up the layout if needed. For 3D models, replace them with high-resolution images. Insert a snapshot or export a picture of the model, then position it where the 3D object was. For transitions and animations, switch to legacy-friendly options. Replace complex morphs or advanced effects with classics like fade, wipe, or appear. This keeps your message clear even when the software is older. After you've made changes, run the compatibility checker again by returning to File, Info, Check for Issues, and Check Compatibility. This confirms that everything is now compatible. If you still see warnings, adjust the remaining items the same way, then test once more. When the checker reports no issues, save your presentation. You're now ready to share a deck that will look and behave reliably across older versions of PowerPoint.